to projection of straight lines when the straight line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Okay, go through the problem. Here the problem given that a line AB is 30 mm long. The length of the line is 30 mm long and inclined at 30 degrees to VP and parallel to HP. Next, the end point A of the line is 15 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Draw its projection. Okay, consider it is a straight line. The length of the line is 30 mm. The length of the line is 30 mm. Next, it is 30 degrees. Suppose I am considering this line is on HP. Okay, and on VP. Consider this line as reference line. Suppose it is the vertical plane and it is the horizontal plane. The line is on reference line. Now the given condition is the line AB is 30 mm long, is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. Suppose it is VP. Suppose that means I am rotating this 30 degrees to VP. Now the angle between this XY line, the vertical plane and line is 30 degrees inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Now the total length of the line is appeared on the view of the position of the line appeared on VP without any change, so that it is parallel to VP, HP and inclined to VP. Next, the position of end point. The end point A of the line is 15 mm above HP, so that it is moving at a distance of 15 mm above. Next, and 20 mm in front of VP. Suppose from VP onwards the point A is acting 20 mm distance from VP. For this we need to draw the projections. Suppose if you view from this side, the front view is appeared on vertical plane, and if you view from top side, the top view is appeared on horizontal plane. Okay, for this, after projection we need to rotate the horizontal plane 90 degrees clockwise. You got the projections. Okay, for this first we need to draw the XY line. It is the XY line. Here the first we need to identify the coordinate. It is above HP and in front of V, so that it is first quadrant. Next we need to draw the 15 mm above HP line. 15 mm above HP, it is 15 mm. First I draw one line parallel to HP XY. Next 20 mm in front of VP. From this point to this point is distance is 20 mm. I'm drawn 20 mm line. This line is parallel to the XY. Okay. Next I taken one reference line. Okay, it is the projection of point A dash and A. A dash is the front view and A is the top view. Okay. Next, the line AB is 30 mm long, is 30 degrees inclined to VP. So that inclined to VP means we need to draw the in top view. We need to measure 30 degrees inclined to VP. It is the 30 degrees line. Is the 30 degrees line. On this line we have to measure 30 mm distance. It is the 30 mm. This point is B. It is 30 degrees to VP. Next, from this we need to draw the front view. By projecting this, draw the vertical position up to locus of A dash. We got the point B dash. A dash B dash is represent the front view of the object and AB is represent the top view of the object. Front view and top view both are drawn in dark way. Okay, the distance from this point to this point is, okay, it is 15 mm above HP, and this one is 20 mm in front of VP. 15 mm above HP, 20 mm in front of VP, and making an angle 30 degrees to vertical plane. This is the vertical plane. Okay, 30 degrees inclined to VP, and the point A is 20 mm in front of VP and 15 mm above HP. Okay, the length of the line is 30. The length of the line is 30 mm. For this we need to draw this dimension also. Okay, it is 30 mm length. Okay, now we completed the projection when the line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Okay, these are the two different cases. Okay, projection of straight lines inclined to one of the reference line. In the first condition is inclined to HP and parallel to VP, and inclined to VP and parallel to HP. Okay, next class we'll discuss the problem on it is contained on a plane that is perpendicular to both the reference planes. Okay.